Do you own multiple WordPress sites? Or maybe you manage websites for clients? If yes, you know how time-consuming and stressful it can get. Updating plugins, monitoring uptime, or handling backups manually takes too much time. It never ends. In this video, we'll show you the 5 best WordPress site management tools to save time and keep your site secure and fast in 2026. Tool number 1, Manage WP. First on the list is Manage WP. It's a centralized dashboard that lets you manage multiple WordPress sites from one place. With Manage WP, you can update plugins and themes, schedule backups, monitor uptime, and even check site performance effortlessly. It's perfect for freelancers and agencies managing multiple clients. Tool number 2, Infinite WP. Next is Infinite WP, a self-hosted solution for advanced users. It allows bulk updates, backups, malware scans, and client reporting. Infinite WP is ideal for developers who want a self-hosted platform for full control over their WordPress sites. Tool number 3, WP Umbrella. Third is WP Umbrella, a modern cloud-based WordPress manager. It offers one-click updates, real-time error monitoring, automated backups, and performance tracking. It's great for both solo site owners and agencies who want simplicity with powerful features. Tool 4, Solid Central. Next is Solid Central, a comprehensive tool that lets you manage multiple WordPress sites from one place. You can update WordPress, plugins, and themes with one click, monitor uptime and performance, run backups, and even manage posts, pages, and comments remotely. It also connects with Google Analytics and Search Console so you can track SEO and traffic stats all in one screen. Tool 5, WP Remote. Finally, WP Remote is a simple cloud platform for site maintenance. It provides scheduled backups, security checks, and one-click updates. WP Remote is beginner-friendly and perfect for solo entrepreneurs who want easy site management without complexity.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.